What if I told you that this story didn't break when someone left? What if I told you that real teams are not defined by who walks away, but by who stays? What if I told you that this was never about one voice, one name, or one leader? Because when the moment came, we didn't fall apart. We stood closer. Yes, someone chose a different path, and we wish him nothing but the best. Respect for what was, and peace for what comes next. But listen carefully. This club did not disappear. It evolved. New energy arrived. New voices stepped forward. Top reinforcements joined the fight. And the core, the heart, stayed intact. This is not a place for ego. This is not a place for comfort. This is not a place you join by accident. You come here to commit, to grow, to be tested. A new chapter begins. Not louder, but stronger. New season, new trials, new battles, new challenges. And remember, history doesn't remember who spoke the loudest. It remembers who stood firm when it mattered most. Welcome back to the club, not because it's easy, but because it's real. Here, excuses are not accepted. Here, loyalty matters. Here, character decides everything. This is more than a team. This is proof. And the story continues.